Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Zilch card in store. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is make sure we need to check the store compatibility. So Zilch can be used anywhere, Visa is accepted. So look for the Visa logo at the checkout. Now, next step is to open the Zilch app. So log into the Zilch app on your phone. Make sure you have a linked bank card and available balance. Then enable Pay Now or Pay in Full. So before going to the checkout, tap Pay Now or Pay Full amount instantly, or we can tap Pay in Full, so we can split the cost into 4 interest-free payments. Now, this step is important because it creates a one-time virtual card, and then we can add the Zilch card to your phone wallet. So to add the Zilch card to your phone wallet, you have two options. So option A, use Apple Pay or Google Pay. So to do that, add your Zilch virtual card to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet inside the Zilch app. And then at checkout, tap your phone on the card reader. Or option B, use a physical Zilch card. Now that's if you've been given one. So if you're issued a physical Zilch card, swipe, insert or tap it like a normal Visa card. Then from there, pay in store. So at the checkout, tell the cashier you're paying by card. So tap your phone or the card on the terminal. Confirm the payment in the Zilch app if prompted.